and welcome to 10 days of editing with small presets. Today is day 4. I am Monica the Mom Tog, and if you are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and we're just going to jump right into this thing. I've already done day 1, 2, and 3 with small presets 1, 2, and 3 that you see here. We're going through all 10 of these and kind of playing around with some of these extras down here too. This one here was day 1, 2, 3, a little bit not as straight as the others, and this is straight out of camera. So let's go ahead and get started with small number 4. I will put a link to these presets in the description of this video, just in case you're wanting to go purchase them. I'm not affiliated with the creator of these presets in any way. I'm just having a little bit of fun. Okay, so there's small number 4. Because I didn't do a very good job straightening the last one and it's bothering me in this moment, I'm going to straighten it first. I am the weirdo who likes to come down here and mess with grain first, like almost always. I bumped it down a tiny bit in the previous videos, gonna do it again today. That's a personal preference. If you want, you could take it all the way up here if you want to. I am not going to judge you. In fact, I love grain. I just don't always use it. So there's that. I'm gonna change that somewhere else. Okay, auto white balance. I have a feeling I'm bumping this back down again today because it does look a little warm for my, I like warm actually, but even still just a little bit warm for me. Yeah, let's go ahead and knock it down. Did not like the auto. Okay, perfect. Now let's come over here and mess with these options. There are some different split toning options. Nature Love, Cinematic, Romantic, Earthbound, Warm-Hearted. Honestly, I'm not really feeling any of those today with this particular preset, and so I think I'm just going to let them go. I'm going to choose not to use them. In most of the other videos, I have messed with this adjustment area by doing the soft blacks. I didn't do it yesterday. We'll do it today. Sharpening you can change. Generally, I like where the sharpening is on these presets, so I don't really mess with that, but you could. You could adjust your grain here. You know, this is like the standard option. I don't know if that's where it starts out or if that's a little bit different, and then like obviously these would be a little bit different from its starting point for sure. So if you like that huge grain, go for it. Instead of clicking enable profile corrections with the small presets, I normally just do that right here. It's actually, I think, a tiny bit different. I'm not sure what else it does. I don't think it's just enabling profile corrections. I think it does something else also. But you see it kind of takes that vignetting away from the outside of my photo. And now I feel like this is kind of actually a little bit brighter than I would like. And so I'm just going to adjust the exposure a tiny bit. I still feel like, I don't know, can't decide how I feel about the color of her skin right now. I'm just gonna leave it. It's not, I don't know, maybe I'll take a little bit of the orange saturation out. This is not one that I use very often or hardly ever, and so it's throwing me off a little bit because it's just not my standard. I don't normally edit with this particular preset. 1 and 3 are kind of my jam. But there we go. I like that better. It's just slight adjustment. It's the smallest thing, but that makes me a little bit more happy, so we're going to go with it. Okay, this is day number 4. This is preset number 4 from the pack. Let's start with 1 again and take a look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight out of camera. Straight out of camera. number 4, our edit today. If you enjoyed this video, if you'll please just subscribe to my channel. We've got 6 more days left of 10 days of editing with SMAL Presets. Give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'm at Monica_Brown_photos, and my website is www.monica-brown.com. Thank you so much.